Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your brand channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again. Today, how have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to stack images, right? Good. By forming a single image that has multiple bands. Now, when we right clicked on this particular one, you see that we just have one band, which is band 1, right? Good. So now, on the previous tutorial, we have shown you how to merge images together because this image you are seeing here was actually mosaicked together because there were overlapping tiles and then the project area did not fit into one of them completely. So we clipped it to the extent of the overlapping. However, before we did that, we had to merge them and then we had to do band by band mosaicing, right? Good. Now we want to stack these 4 bands into one image. So you have band 1, band 2, band 3 and band 4. So we come to raster and then under miscellaneous we go to merge. So under the input layer, let's use the selection button and then we are going to select all, right? Good. Now at this point you should pay attention to the order. It is very important that you order it chronologically, right? Good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yours might be up to 7, 6, 8 as the number of bands you might have, right? Good. So we have just 4 bands from the previous tutorial, so we are going to use these 4 bands. So you order them chronologically and then you click on OK. Another very important tab to select is place each input into a separate band. It's very important because that is the idea behind what the stacking that we want to perform, right? Good. For the output, let's leave it at the default that it is. Then under the advanced parameters, I always prefer to set a no data value. You can use 0 or you can use the no data value of I think this should be 9 billion, is it 99 or something. So this is the no data value that is automatically provided by QGIS, right? Good. So you can just scroll with your mouse and then you have the 99 minus 99 something there. Are we together? Good. So the next thing is that you scroll down. We don't have additional command line for the parameters. Now we come to merged. So we use this browse and then we save to the file. Good. So we're on the folder stack raster. So let's give it a name. So this is stacked underscore band 1 to band 4. And then since all of it are fixed, we can run. Good. So let's close this. Basically, you can see now that we have band 1, 2, 3. And now this is a single image that contains what? The multiple bands, right? Good. So how do we verify that? We double click or we right click and go to properties. You can now see that we have the band number for the RGB composite, that's the red, green and blue. So you identify which one of it is supposed to be a red depending on the combination you want to have. Maybe if it is true color, maybe vegetation, water body, whatever you want to highlight, right? Good. So you also have the minimum and the maximum values of each of the bands, right? Good. So before we leave, let's do a few stuff. By default we have 1, 2, 3, right? Good. So now let's make it 4, 3 and then 2, right? Good. So this is actually a combination. So let's see how that goes. Let's apply. Now when you apply, you are going to see the effect on the image we have, right? Good. So this is how you stack images together. It's actually a single image, however it contains multiple bands. So we have done 4, 3, 2. We can also do 3, 2, 1. Then we apply and then we see the implication on our image. So thanks for coming to class. We hope we have provided solution to this particular GIS and remote sensing problem. We would see you on the next tutorial with something more interesting. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.